questioning related things, I will use it. I'll make my questions ready and I'll start working with this. So here, and it is dead easy. It's the question, and actual question is this one. I'm keeping it. Question number three, question number three, question number four, question number five, question number four, question number five. Okay. So try to start implementing that. Start with find all the programmers who are working with that. What type of thing you can use it? Union of. You will apply union of. Let us go to that. Let us go to the Python environment. Go to the Python environment now. I'm taking here. So there I'm going to take up run as administrator. There we are having. So here it is called what? PP Python programmers is equal to. I'll take this. And next Java programmers I will take it. Java programmers also I will take it. So I'll take the Java programmers also. Now I'm going to take up PP and type of PP here, Python programmers. And the next is called what you know, JP, Java programmers, and type of Java programmers. And see this, this is my data which is available. Come on, first question number. What I will do? All PP and JP, all Python programmers and Java programmers is equal to, come on, PP dot union of JP. JP. So you will print it all PP and JP. All PP and JP. Type of what? All PP and JP. So we are printing it. All the people's names are coming. And Travis is a combined person who is working both on Python and Java. So coming to this place that I will carry here, I'll put it over here. I think you are following, right? Right. Coming to this place, here I am going to write it. This is my values and applied the union operation and the result is like this. So got the data. So this is about this point of it. Next I'm going to enter into the second question I'm going to. Are you new student, ma? Today only came. Are you there in the online? Completely new class. You are my student only. You know, you are my student only, na? Okay. Now come to this. So here, find all the programmers. 9 o'clock new batch, completely new batch. Will you understand this? No, you have to understand, Namma. I'm talking in English and you are talking in Hindi. I am not understanding every Hindi sentence properly. Uh, hmm. Okay. After the class, you meet me. Is in your class this set concept completed? In your class, set concept completed? Only typecast. There is str type only you completed. Hmm. So maybe it is this class will bounce to you. May not be able to understand. So the best class you need to attend is 9 o'clock only. Morning 9 o'clock. So today you listen it and don't try to understand anything. Just to see that how lights are, how things are. Okay, na? Don't try to understand. So tomorrow onwards, 9 o'clock you attend. Okay. Hmm. Now find all the programmers who are working on both Java and Python. Both means what operation? Come on, first intersection. You need to apply what? Intersection. You need to apply intersection. So this is the function. This is a union function you applied. Let's go. Start here. I'll take it as what? Python programmers. This is the data. This is the one. Print it like this. There I am writing. Come on. Both JP both PP and what JP is equal to PP dot intersection of what JP. So either you can write JP dot intersection of PP or PP dot intersection of JP. Anything is okay, not an issue. Print of both the PP comma JP, and the next is what type of both the PP as well as what JP. So this is the data we are getting. Who is a common programmer in both the places? Travis. So this part I will just take this data only. The remaining is old only. This part I will take up, and this result is going to be available like this. So here, if I go to the answer, it is like this. Understood? Next, I will go to the one more here. Find all the programmers who are working only on Python, but not on Java. What is the topic? Come on. Difference. I need to go for difference. I need to go for a difference. I need to go for. Let's start here. I'll take out. Here I will take the PP and the JP and print this like this. What I want, only PP is equal to PP dot difference of what JP. So you'll be getting common elements are removed. Remaining elements from PP will be kept in where only PP. So keep it here. Here I'm writing only PP, comma type of only PP. This is our data. So Rosam and what? These two people are belongs to Python programmers. So I will copy this and I'll keep this data. I'll keep this data, common data for all the people is like this. So here the answer is this part. So next I will go to another area here. Find all the programmers who are working only on Java but not on Python. Same. I will apply which concept? Difference only I will apply. But the difference is you have to take care about the difference part, students. Let us move to the further. So I'll carry this data. I'll take it PP here, JP here. So this data, come on, only JP is equal to JP dot difference of PP. So you will be getting it print of only JP, comma type of only JP. So you'll be taking like this. This is called the Java programmers. This result I will take up. This result I will take up. So done. So done, students. This is about question number 4. Question number 5. I just want to take up. Exclusively working exclusive players, not common players. That is called symmetric difference you need to apply. Come on, what is the function name? Symmetric underscore difference. Symmetric underscore difference of, so that I can go to this common data I will carry. Common data I will carry. There I will take off. I will apply this. All you people knows. This is done. This is done. Come on. EXCL. What is that? PP and JP. Exclusive Python programmers and Java programmers is equal to PP dot. The function name is called what, 1 minute. So went off something wrong. So here I will write it. Dot is equal to symmetric difference. I'll write it. JPP dot symmetric difference of what? P, JP. JP. There I will write it. Symmetric underscore difference. Something is missing. METRIC. Symmetric underscore difference. Print of what? EXCL. PP comma what? JP. PP PP comma JP comma type of what? EXCL. PP comma what? JP. You try to see that this is except Travis, rest of them are coming. Are you following me? Yes, this is comes under the concept of what? Symmetric difference. Is it clear? Yes. This is related to the concept related to the set related functions. But actually, the question was Online students, is it clear for everybody? Is it clear for everybody? So, who is this? M. Harish. My screen is clear, my dear student. My screen is clear. It is working fine. So, to take care when I'm moving the screen, it is moving accordingly, and take care about your internet fastness. So, go to the place. Here I'm going to move to the further. Now, my question is this part, those who know set related functions, you will do it. But my point is the same question is asked in the interview point of view, not by using set functions. Actually, they asked the question something like this. What question they asked, students? I'm just trying to write it here. The same questioning, I'm trying to write it. Solve the following problem statement problem sol- solve the following problem by using solve the following problem statement by using what set functions. Here they said without using without using set functions. Then how do you do that? That is the biggest question mark. Then immediately you need to look over into the C language. You need to look into the C language. This problem you have to solve without using set functions. Then how do you do? You need to go for C language. How many of you know C language here? That is a question mark. How many of you know C language? So you know C language. Don't know? You know. Correct? You know? No? Don't know? You also know? Don't know? You know? You also know? You don't know. Beginning only you said. You don't know. Okay. So in C language, C++, there is a topic called bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. It's a very, very important topic actually. So no teacher will touch this topic. They will explain plus, minus, everything they will tell. And no teacher will explain. And no student knows also. And the teacher also don't know properly. Properly is what? Completely out of order. Nowadays, if you take the people, they are out of order. So they said in the bracket, use what operators? Bitwise operators. As a part of my class, I am explaining bitwise operators in the chapter name called what? Operators. When you look at my regular sessions, operators is a topic. After this data types we are entering, under that the notes, there is a bitwise operator separately I kept exclusively I'm explaining for you with left shift operations how to do it, right shift operations how to do it, with a register kind of concepts I'm explaining, with register mechanism I'm going to explain in detail for you. So right now don't worry about the bitwise operators, but I will use here bitwise operators in the class. So you don't know that, but still I want to use it at this point of time only. So let us start with bitwise operators. I want to use it. So the for the first question is concerned, I'll carry as is the solution set. I'll carry as is the solution set. Those solution set, I will use what here? Bitwise operators, I will use it. So in place of union, we will use it. The operator name called what? Bitwise OR operator, I will use it. Bitwise OR operator, we will use it. The symbol called like that. The symbol called what? Vertical slash. This symbol I will use it. In place of union, I will simply write as what like this. I will write it JP. This is called what bitwise OR operator works for union. The real-time implementation of bitwise OR operator is to combine elements of two sets. Let us go to that and try to work with it. Let us see this now, students. This is a PP and this is a JP, and try to work with it. Now I'm writing here. Now I'm writing here. Go to the place. Here I'm writing. In this place, what is this now? All CPT, all PP and the next is JP is equal to, what should I do? PP bitwise OR operator of what? JP. If you print it, if you print it, I will explain in the coming classes about how this works. Comma, type of all PP and next is what? JP. You see this answer, students? It exactly works like what? Union operation only it works. But how it internally works, I will explain the bitwise operators exclusively for you. I will explain. Exclusively, I will explain bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise complement operator, bitwise AND operator, bitwise XOR operator. So many number of things I will explain. But students should have the knowledge to improve it because things are not like academics. Semester over, writing exam, pass, receiving memo, laminated, put it in the locker. Like that, all 4 semesters, 4 years over, all memos collected. And after that, testing the brain, anything is there in the brain, nothing is there in the brain. That is all called unemployment. That is not the way. Way is what? Gathering the practical knowledge. Of course, not only you, present world is like that. We can't do anything else. So, coming to the point of it, and bitwise OR operator, this is the one what we are getting it. Are you observing it? Next is called intersection. In place of intersection, I am using bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator, they are doing it. Bitwise AND operator. This is a bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator. In place of intersection, I will apply what you know. I will apply bitwise intersection. I will go for it. Bitwise, this operator I am using it. So this part I will show you the output for you. So this part I will explain. Go to the place. Here I will write it. Same. So see that this is the data and this is an output. Go for it. What I am going to say, both, I'll say here, both, both PP and what? JP is equal to, I will use this single ampersand symbol. You print it, print of what? Both PP and JP. I will get it. Here I will use it. Type of I will write it. And see students, I'm getting the data called Travis. So bitwise AND operator is used in where? Intersection of the values. Is it really explained in C language? No. Then how do you do that? In Java, you take it, C++, you take it. Anywhere else, bitwise operator, same functionality only. This is the question asked in a bigger companies like PayPal, all product, Amazon. These are all questions are coming. Don't use set operations. They said use bitwise operators. Bitwise operators, we don't know. Then how can you do that? That's why learning subject in deep, you need to get it. And morning, one student came today. He asked me, sir, I want to complete Python in 20 days, 20. I said, better don't waste your money. It is not possible here. It is possible to spend ample of time full stack Python. No, sir, I was interested to join here only 20 days I want. But I said already, don't come to this place. Better to go to some other place where they are ready to take your money. Not only 20 days, 15 days also they will train. 10 days also they will train. You better to join there only, I said. He's saying, bargaining with me. Sir, 1 month, sir, he said. I said, I called that people, so please send him out. So 1 month, whatever this is what bargaining, subject bargaining. So that is what people's mindset nowadays. So here, bitwise AND operator, output is like this. Now coming to this way, difference, I will use arithmetic, arithmetic, what is this? Minus operator, arithmetic minus operator. You know, arithmetic minus operator is like this. Arithmetic minus operator is like this. I will apply here PP minus what? JP. PP minus JP. Then here also I will apply what? Here also I will apply what? Arithmetic minus. Here I will write down arithmetic minus. Generally minus means what people thinks. What people thinks, they will think that it is only subtracting two elements, but here we are using subtracting two sets also. Let us apply. Let us apply the data. Here you take this now. Let us see this now. See the data. Now apply. What is this now? Only PP is equal to PP minus JP. See students, I'm writing here only PP, comma. What is this now? Type of only PP. So you got the answer called what? This is called what? PP minus. What is an answer? John and Rossum are the Python programmers. Directly I will write it what next? Only JP is equal to JP minus PP, which is going to be here. I'll carry and I'll print off what? Only JP and type of what? Like this, I'll write it. It is also going to give you what? The different people names are coming. Is it minus operator applied or not? Yes, done. How they are working, we are going to use it. We are going to use it. And don't try to put your old knowledge that I'm least bother about it. Find all the programmers who are exclusively working on this. Symmetric difference, I will use it. I will use it. Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR. I'm using the symbol called like this. Nowadays, I found somebody else, this symbol they are using for expressing power. Power they are using. Suppose they are using 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to what? 2 to the power of 3 is called what? Come on. This is what people are saying. It is a blunder. This is what people are saying. Who said to you, I don't know. And contact that fellows. And 2 is called what? Binary 0, 1, 0. 3 is called what? 0, 1, 1. The answer is called what? The exclusive OR operator says that similar bits are 0. Similar bits are 0. Dissimilar bits are going to be called what? Yes, so the answer is called 1 is an answer. Let me show you 2 and 3. What is an answer is coming? Then this fill in the blank is coming in interview point of view. What you will answer? 8, you will put an option or not. But actual answer is what? Then who will damage? Who will save your life? Then this time asking. That's why don't believe every person word. You believe when they show practical in the class. By believing in the whiteboard, blackboard, white chalk piece concept, by this time you become 24 years. So that's why students, symmetric difference, I will use this concept. I will use this concept. I'm writing here called what? PP. PP. I'm using here called what? Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR. I will just go to the place and take care and go to this now. PP and JP and print that and print this. Come on. EXCL exclusively PP and what? JP is equal to PP exclusive OR operator of what? JP. Print this data. Print this data. How do you print it? Like this. And a type of what? Like this. See the answer. Am I getting exclusive people or not? Yes, this is called as what? Bitwise XOR operator. Getting or not? This is about complete meaning of what? Solving the problems by using what operators? Bitwise operator, bitwise operators. So here I'm going to talk about some student doubt. Here she is eagerly worrying about what she is saying. So, sir, please explain bitwise OR operator once again. I joined the class late because my interview was scheduled from 4 to 4:30. Sorry for disturbing. Seema, Swastika, if you are late and I'm not going to explain again, beginning only I said you have to attend my class on time. And I did not explain any bitwise AND operator or OR operator, nothing I explained. I said that I will explain in the coming classes when I start the topic name called operators. And Swastika, remember, ma, once you go for coming late to the class, don't expect that sir will explain. I will not explain. Beginning only, I said. You have to attend on time to my class, then only you will receive it. Explaining again to the same candidate when they come late is a never ending story. Today I will explain Swastika. Tomorrow mm, somebody, some Rajesh will come late. He will say, sir, explain me. You explained Swastika earlier, you explained me. So I have to take here only, day and night will be here only to explain to everybody who is coming late. That's why explaining again and again is not possible. I'll explain very crystal clear. You have to utilize my session by joining on time. Got it? Huh? Nice. Now coming to the point of it. There's a problem statement by using what? Set functions. These are the problem statement by using this bitwise operators. Once again, I will explain. It is I did not explain anything. I used it just in the class. That I will explain. Almost 2 days I will explain about bitwise operators. If possible, even third day also I used to explain bitwise operators in the class. Are you able to follow now? Now, coming to the point of it, coming to the point of it. So Nageshwara is asking, sir, can you show quickly which module has these bitwise operators if possible? So bitwise module means I don't understand your thing. Are you asking this is present into Python only? C language present, C++ present, Java also present. It is present in the Python programming. It is not belongs to any module part here. So here I'm going to work out. Now we are putting your old knowledge and you are getting into your old knowledge. I don't want to interact with you people. Let us move to the further. This is about what? Problem solving statement. So I am going to use it problem solving statement by using set functions. I will save here. I'll post this kind of thing. So I'm going to use it. See, Aditya is saying that because their sir said that this is what I am saying that these are all very much tension created doubts. Bitwise logical operator works same. And actually Aditya don't know. The Aditya teachers explained like that. That's why his problem is like that. This is called, they said like that. Why he said like that? Their teacher explained what you know. Their teachers explained what you know. Bitwise OR operator, which they used in their colleges, like that. Logical operator is like this. They said that both of them are same. That's why he is feeling that. This is called not fit for anything else. This is called a completely different. I'm explaining in the classroom. I'm explaining in the classroom where I'm explaining that comparison also. That's what you should not get any. You should not get any uh, confusion over my class. I'm explaining. See, look at there. Are you following me here? Special points about what? Logical operators and bitwise operators. And what you know already, that is a blunder. I'm saying directly to you, Aditya. Whatever you learned already, that is a blunder. Because you learned only practically unfit. That are all wrong things you learned, which I'm showing you perfectly to you. See my examples, how many I'm giving it. So many examples. I'm giving most special points in MNC about these operators. Most special points in MNCs. I'm going to discuss it. Relaxly, you try to listen and don't try to put your old knowledge in my class because it takes a lot of time. You already damaged it and my class also will become damaged. So carefully try to put it. If at all you want to ask the doubt at the end of the class, when I'm speaking to you, you can ask. So if you say, if I don't interact, you will feel it. If I interact, class will disturb it. Okay. This is about problem solving statement. Done. Go to the next one is called what? Nested sets. I'm going to talk about it. Inner or nested sets I'm talking. Already in our class, we completed what concept? Inner list we completed. Inner tuples also completed. And we already made it some combinations. List in list we made it. Tuple in tuple we made it. And a list in tuple we made it. And a tuple in list also we made it. These things we made it. Today we are talking about extra. What is that extra? Related to yes in yes, I'm going to discuss. Yes in yes. At the same time, what next? L in yes, I'm going to. And the next is what I'm discussing. T in yes, I'm going to talk. This is related to set related composition. Next is called what? Yes in L. Yes in L. Yes in T also I will talk. These are the extra things we are learning it. When we go to an interview, Interview will ask which question we don't know. That's why we must be thorough now itself. Understood? So let us try to go for the further things today. So go to this place. Now I'm talking about inner sets. Inner sets I'm going to talk about it. So the first point I'm going to take care. Case number one I'm talking. What I'm talking here? Set in set I'm going to talk. Set in set I'm going to talk. S1 is equal to, careful students, 10 comma RS comma, remember our examples, what we discussed it. Some 17 comma, some 16 comma, something like, some 18 I wrote it, 18 I wrote it, comma, just to take it as JNTU. I just wrote like this. This is comes under what? Outer set, and this is known as what? Inner set. This type of combination is not possible. This type of combination is not possible. Sir, why it is not possible? Because this is not going to possible. It is going to give you type error. Sir, why type error? Why it is type error? It is also going to be called as unhashable type. Unhashable type. Sometimes you'll get the question called, what do you mean by unhashable type? See, students, when you wrote inside some values here, when you wrote inside some values in the list some values, we located as what? 0, 1, and this is 2, and like this we located or not? Inner list element is located by using what? Index. But when you come to the set, sets never provides what? Indices will not provide. Indices will not provide. No indexes are provided. So there is no index provided to access this inner set. No indices is provided to provide. No indices provided to access what? Inner set. That is number one. Number two, it is not possible to modify the elements of the set. Is it possible to assign the value to the set? No. Is it possible to update the values, that is 18 to 20? No. So that both of them not possible. That's why writing in set is not possible. Why set in set is not possible? Number one reason, set never provides indices. Index means once, indices means more than one. Set never provides what? Indices. So that I cannot access this inner set. Moreover, it won't provide any updation. It won't provide any modification of the element of the set. So that's why sets are what? Unhashable type. Why sets are unhashable type? Neither provides indices nor provides modifications. So it is going to give you error. Read out the error. Type error. Unhashable type set. Not possible. Clear or not clear? So don't try to compromise. You understand wholeheartedly why it is unhashable type. Suppose somebody will ask you, set in set is possible or not. You don't try to apply your head and tail coin. You don't take the coin, and head means possible, tail means not possible, like that. What do you need to do? Think about it. Sir asked the set in a set. Suppose if I write inner set, to access the inner set, what I require? Index is required. Is index is provided by set? When index is not provided by the set, then what is the use of writing inner set inside the set? Correct or not? That's why writing set inside the set is not possible. Suppose if you feel that it is possible, assume it is not possible to modify the element of the set now. Possible or not possible? Not possible. So item assignment is not permitted. Correct or not? So this is what is called the error called what? Unhashable type. So I'm writing set in set is possible or not possible? Not possible. This is the first point to remember. So you're eating something. Stand up. Yourself. Don't take inside. No, don't take inside. Chewing gum. Don't eat. Chewing gum is very harm to the health. Right out. Eat python. Sleep with python. Eating chewing gum, eating that, this is not correct. Come fast. I'm waiting for you. Fast. Run. eating chewing gums, all these things is not correct. So now come to the point back. Set in set is possible or not possible? Not possible. Case number two, I'm going to talk. Case number two. Case number two, I'm talking. Set in set is not possible. Do you know the reason for it? Not possible to provide indices, not possible to modify. That is known as what? Unhashable type. Okay. Next, in connection with set, I'm defining what? List. List. Shall I start? List. Now, come faster. See how much time I'm going to save for you. Suppose if you are eating chewing gum, continuously you are going on eating and enjoying the taste, and your teeth are working like a machine, and you'll get headache also after some time. Python you will not understand. See how many drawbacks are getting. That's why eating python is always healthy, right or not? Right. So now come to that. And if you eat chewing gum, that plastic will go inside the stomach. Your intestines will get problem. And you don't feel that I am not a doctor. Just I am saying that ingredients of that chewing gum. Anyhow, come to that. I'm writing what here? List in where? Set. So what is an outer here? Lista seta. List in set. What is an outer? Set. What is the inner list? Okay, good. Go to that. I'm going to take up this. So here I'm writing, you tell me, you only tell me, is it possible or not? Come on, not possible. Very good. So why it is not possible? Actually, list is called what? Mutable. List is called what? Mutable. Mutable means I can change this element. To change the elements of a list, what I need? Index. Is the set is providing? No. Then what is possible or not possible? Not possible. That is also called what? Unhashable type. Very good. This is called what? Not possible. Not possible. Second case. Next, I'm going to enter into where? Case 3. Case 3. What is the next? Tuple in. Tuple in. Come on. Tuple in. Set. What is an outer? Set. What is the inner? Right. Good. Now S1 is equal to S1 is equal to, be careful. Now I'm writing like this. Now I'm writing like this. Come on. Is it possible or not possible? Come on. Not right. You are wrong answer. This is possible. This is possible. Tuple is mutable. Correct. So there is a chance of changing these elements. Correct or not? What is a tuple? Immutable. Immutable means will you change it? No, not possible to change it. So assume that it is not possible. Here it is possible to change. To possible to change, to do the change, you need what? Index is not providing. That's why it is not possible. Tuple is what? Immutable. Not possible to modify. So whether index providing or not providing, that it doesn't matter. So writing tuple inside the set is no problem. Understood? Tuple is once again, tuple is what? Immutable. Immutable means what are not allowed? No appending, no deletions, no modifications, nothing. When it is not allowing you to do the changes of anything of tuple, what is the use of accessing that by index? Nothing wrong in writing tuple inside the set. It is possible. Compulsory questions, these are all called. What is that? Type of S1 comma S1. It is coming for a value in S, for a value in S1. I'll print the data. What is this? Value comma type of value comma type of what? S1. I'm just printing like that. What is happening? You see, JNTU STR present in set, RS STR present in set, then present in int set. This is called a tuple present in where? Set. Clear or not clear? So what is possible? What is possible? Writing tuple in set is possible. This is in connection with what? Set with other combinations. Now set associated with what? Others. Go to case number, come on, 4. Come on, say, set in list, set in list. Go. First, what is an outer list? LST is equal to, LST is equal to 10 comma RS comma 10, say some 18 comma some 17 comma some 19 I am saying comma JNTU I am writing. JNTU I am writing. Possible or not possible? Quickly. Possible or not possible? Huh? Possible. Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Option A possible. Option B not possible. Option C no comment. Possible. This is possible. This is possible. Why? Because 0, 1, 2. I can access this set by using what? Index. I can add the element. I can discard. I can remove. I can do any sort of operation on the set. It is possible. It is possible. Print of what? LST and type of what? LST. You can. You can. If you want for value in where? LST. Print of what? You print off that entire thing. What is this now? LST. You see this data here. Am I getting this set is possible in LST or not? Yes. Now I want to locate this data. How do you locate this data? LST of -2, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2. Anything you can take it. I can write it as what? 2. I'm writing it as a 2. Anything I can write it or not? Well, students, carefully try to follow. Now, can I add the data to this set, which is present inside of where? List. Come on. How do I add it? LST of 2 dot add. Append no add. Add of, I'll say 20. I'll say 20. Print of LST. Print of this LST. Is 20 added or not? Now, one more time you add it. LST of -2 dot what? Add of something like 14. You add 14. Print of LST. So 14 is added in some place. We can't say that in which place we can add. We can add the another list also to the list. How to add it? LST dot append of append of what I can do? Something like 80, 66, some 56 and some 34 you can add. Where I'm adding? At the last I'm adding. Is it appended another set or not? So this is called what? You can write set inside another set. Now I'm asking, can I remove 18? Can I remove 18? Yes or no? No. Yes. Tell me, how do you remove? LST of 2. LST of 2 dot remove of 18. Good. Good. So gone. 18 gone or not? Yes. Can I remove 17, 19? Can I remove 17, 19? Sweatser. Like that you are saying. Can I remove 17, 19? No. Why? Slicing not possible in sets. Slicing not possible in sets. Not possible. That's why you cannot. Null operator not possible now? Yes. Now I want to remove. I want to remove this complete inner list. Can I remove? Yes. Can I remove? Come on. LST dot pop of -1. Pop of what? -1. -1. It is gone. Print of LST. Now I want to clear all the elements of set only. Only elements I want to clear. Is it possible? How do I do? LST of 2 dot clear off. Clear off. What is there in LST now? Empty set is present. Empty set is present. See, empty set is present. Empty set is present. Can I add the data to the empty set now? How do I add it? LST of -2 dot add of something like 18. 18. So done. Print the data. LST 18 is added. I want to add one more element to that. LST of, what is that now? Of something like 17. I will add 17. Also added 17 is added. Are you following? So like that, it is possible to write or not possible to write? Possible. Case number 5. Come on, students. What is the case number 5? Tuple in, set in tuple. Be careful. Set in where? Tuple. Now I'm going to take up. I'm going to take up. Go to this place. Now I'm going to take up. This is I'm writing TPL is equal to, TPL is equal to, be careful. Don't get confused and don't answer. Possible or not possible? Come on. Possible or not possible? Huh? Possible. Possible or not possible? Possible. Good. This is possible. This is possible. Why? 0, 1, 2. So set 2. I can add the elements. By locating this index, I can add. This is possible. Possible. For, I'll print of TPL comma type of what? TPL. You just close it. Done. And go to that for value in where? TPL. For value in TPL, students, value comma type of value comma and what is this now? Type of what? TPL. TPL. It is going to show you. This is called what? Set to present in where? Tuple. These combinations are very important. This we are discussing not like a normal like Python. We are discussing with a very high-end aim. Very important these things. So done. Now can I add the data to that? Come on. Come on. TPL of 2 dot what? Append. Whatever I will write, you will read. Add of something like 14. 14 I will write it. So print of TPL is 14 is written or not? Now I want to eliminate 18, 19, 14. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Can I remove 17? Yes. Can I remove the complete list here? Complete set here? Come on. Yes or no? No. Yes, you are wasted. Not possible. Because it is a part of each element tuple. Tuple elements are mutable or immutable. Then how can you say, yes, sir, possible like that? Here it is possible. Here it is possible. In list, you can remove, you can remove, pop off. You cannot remove in the tuple. You cannot remove. Why? Because tuple elements are what? Immutable. So if you try to do that, pop off, what is that? -2, you write it. You'll get pop attribute is not there in where tuple. Attribute error will come. TPL object has no attribute called what? Pop. Then remember, students, if you forget like that and if you come to the class, it is a problem. Can I can I add one more list to this tuple? Come on. No. Why? Because a tuple contains only two functions, index function and what? Count function. You don't have any append function, insert function, nothing is there. Are you following me? So, can I clear all these elements of a set? Yes or no? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. TPL of what? -2 dot what? Clear. Clear. So, clear. This is working on what? Set only. So, done. And now you print a TPL. Empty set is there. Can I add the elements to this set? Yes. Are you following me? Right. Like this. Can I add any other set to the tuple? No. Because the tuples are what? Once you design, there is a fixed constant values it maintains. So this is also called what here? Possible. Is it understandable? This is about which concept? Inner or nested list. If you look at that, predefined functions which you applied on inner sets, combination of set with a list and tuple, and you have seen the example. So that we will getting Ragini. So yes, sir, but a bit confusing. So I'm very clear. I have clarity. I have clarity. So do you have clarity? If you read well daily, there is no confusion. If you don't read well, confusion will be coming compulsory, because we are not all of sudden Rosamna. We are just students only. Students need to read daily the notes. Then only you will get it. Otherwise, we cannot get it into the things are not in our control. That's why we have to read daily and we have to understand the subject. So I'll go for that part I will show you under set. Inner combination of this part you see. Combination of set with what? Set listed tuple. Inner set. Case 1, I gave the reason also. Not possible. It is not possible to define one set in another set, because sets are what? Unhashable type. Not possible to apply indexing. Not possible to apply the modification. So this is the data. Writing in set, another set is not possible. It is not possible to define one list in another set, because sets are unhashable. Not possible to apply indexing, not possible to modify. So defining one list in another set is completely not possible. Example you see, this is a set. Inside of that, I'm trying to write a list. Error. It is possible to define one tuple in another set, because the tuples are what? Right. I wrote tuples inside of the set, no problem. Set number 4, it is possible to define one set in another list, because the list are mutable, allows us to locate the set object by using what? Indices. So I wrote it here. Example. Case number 5, it is possible to define one set in where another tuple, because tuples are immutable, but allows us to locate the set by using what? Indices. Already done. So this is a tuple. Inside of that, we written what? Sets. So once you read well, and that is going to be dead easy. Once we don't read, na, for me or for you, any student, it is going to be difficult only. And to get the job, you require such a solid knowledge, and especially with high packages and all. When we don't read, definitely we'll get that problem somewhere else you will come across. That's why at least from 23 years old, you try to open up your eyes and then try to do good things. So let us go to the combinations as completed. So completely the combinations of what is over, set is over. Clear up? Now go to the set category, my dear students. So go to the set category once and then see once what we discussed in the set category now. Set category, where is the data types under the set category? See that set is completed. Next is called what? Just 2 minutes, I will tell you frozen set. So try to understand frozen set. Of course, I'll explain everything. In 2 minutes, you will get the complete difference. Now I'm going to get the frozen set. And without my help, you need to understand. Without my help, you need to understand. So frozen set I'm talking, there I'm going to take up something like this. Here I'm going to give you the difference. Note point you need to remember. What is the note point you need to say? Frozen set and set, both of them are belongs to set category. So the frozen set, the functionality of frozen set, the functionality of what? Frozen set is exactly similar to, the functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to, is exactly similar to, is exactly similar to set, similar to set. But, but here I'm trying to give, but an object of, an object of what? Set belongs to, belongs to both mutable, mutable. I already said in which case they are mutable. Adding case, removing case, deleting case, popping case, clearing case, discarding case, update underscore, difference underscore update. So many things I said are not. In all the cases, same address they are getting modified. And immutable. And immutable in the case of what? Item assignment. That's why it is called both mutable and immutable. Whereas, whereas an object of, whereas an object of hmm, frozen set, frozen set belongs to, frozen set belongs to what is that? Immutable. Immutable. Why? There is no question of what? Modifications at all. What are all the functions are providing modification done in the set level? Those things are not present into where frozen set is not containing. And you can be ready for understanding frozen set which functions are not present into. I'll go for this. Is it clear? And moreover, students, for representing same frozen set is a class. And take care about all the things. What are the properties we have written? Set is one of the predefined class. Like that, frozen set is also called what? Predefined class. Same to same, everything. But frozen set is concerned, there is no symbolic notation present. No symbolic notation present. But we convert other type of elements to the frozen set by using which function? Frozen set of function. You know typecasting function, right? There is no direct symbolic notation for frozen set. Frozen set is a newly added data type. To the set flavor it is added. We convert list into what? List into frozen set into frozen set, string into frozen set, tuple into frozen set. Any of the value you can convert into what? Frozen set. By using which function? Like that you are seeing from the beginning. Int of, float of, bool of, list of, tuple of, set of, like that frozen set of also. Are you able to follow now? So let us go to the example quickly and try to see this now, students. S1 is equal to S1 is equal to, see students, 10 comma 20 comma 40 comma something like 45 comma some 23 comma some 67. This is called what here? S1 comma type of S1, type of S1. What order it is coming? So even frozen set also will not maintain the order. Same to same everything. But only thing is frozen set is completely immutable. No addition, nothing is going to be there. How do you convert? Fs is equal to, come on, frozen set of S1. I'm converting set into what? Frozen set. Why you are going for that? If you don't want any changes to be done with add or remove or something, that time I will convert the set into what type? Frozen set. Print of what? Fs comma type of Fs, type of Fs. This is my frozen set. See the symbolic notation? Frozen set of. Frozen set is also one set only. Same order, whatever set is giving, same thing is going to be maintaining in where? Frozen set also. One more time, S is equal to, I'm writing here something like Nissan. Nissan, I wrote it. And I wrote it print of what? S comma type of S, which is called what? str. That I want to convert into fs. Come on. Frozen set is equal to yes. And I'll print that fs here. Fs comma type of what? Fs. So s is available two times. It will come how many times? One time only. And order is not maintaining. So it is going to contain NIS NISA. Two times SS is there or not? So one time only coming. This is also simplest indication. How do you eliminate the duplicate elements? By going for what? Convert the list or set or tuple into what? Set or frozen set. That is one logic. One more logic I will tell you through coding. Understood? Huh? So next you take it directly. Directly you take it. So take like this. LST is equal to, I'm writing something like what you know, John Hunter. John Hunter, I am writing, is a scientist. And next is called what? Kinney is also another scientist. Next is called Travis, is another scientist. Rosem is another scientist. I'm taking list of scientist names that I want to convert into what? Frozen set. How do I convert? Fs is equal to frozen set of frozen set. Frozen set of what? LST. LST. Print of what? Fs comma type of Fs. So you are going to get the frozen set data like this. Order is not an important. All the elements are coming. You take it in the form of what? Tuple. Directly you take it in the form of tuple like that. 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20 like that 30. So you take it as in the form of tuple. This is a tuple or not? Tuple. Converted into what? Frozen set. Print of that Fs. So it is also going to come. Two times, three times 10 is there. One time only it is going to come. Understood that? So like this you need to take care. Single element also you can convert. Suppose A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. How do you convert into that? Fs is equal to frozen set of A. If you write it, you will get a problem. This I said to you at the time of what? List time, tuple time I said. Be careful. Directly you cannot do. That I clearly monitored in the class. And put it in the form of what? List. Already explained this. If you don't remember, మనం ఏం చేయలేం దానికి. If you want, I can show you that. This is called what? Frozen set. One more way also is said. This is the another way. What is the another way? You can write it. You can write it like this. A comma is said. A comma. Is it explained or not? Yes, explained. Now, this is called what? Frozen. It's a single tuple element. It is right written. Where every part of my notes is important. As such a deep questioning, deep knowledge will be provided. If I just cover only one or two example, that he cannot do anything in the life. Because based on the present industry, to crack the job, knowledge is to be wonderful. If you just read like our academics, one day batting, 2 days batting like that, your bat will be there with you only. You will not enter into the ground only. So try to read well, do the things. Now I'm going to take up frozen set. I'm going to open it. Instead of typing everything from my side, I'll try to take the frozen set. Try to follow me carefully. So I'll take it. Data types here. You try to read, all of you. Try to read. Start. Frozen set is one of the predefined class treated as a set data type. The purpose of frozen set data type is that to store multiple values either of similar type or different type or both the types in single object with unique values only. Duplicates are not allowed. The elements of frozen set must be obtained from different objects like set, tuple, list, etc. Syntax. Frozen set object is equal to frozen set of set object, list object, tuple object, str, bytes, byte array, range, into float, bool, etc. You can take. Anything you can take. An object of frozen set never maintains insertion order because PVM can display any one of the possibility of elements of frozen set. On the object of frozen set, we can't perform indexing and slicing operation because the frozen set never maintains insertion order. The set means any one of the possibility will be the same properties. I copied, pasted, and changed it. An object of frozen set belongs to immutable because the frozen set object does not support item assignment and are not possible to modify or change or something. Let me show you once. Here you go for once here. This is my frozen set. Print the frozen set. Fs of 0 you say not possible, not possible. Indexing is not possible. Fs of 0 is equal to some 100 you are trying to add it. It is going to give you what? Does not support what? That is completely called what? Immutable. Fs dot what? Add of what? 100. Set dot add is permitted. Fs dot add is what? Frozen set object has no concept of what? Adding the data. Removing the data not possible, adding the data not possible. That's why it is purely called what ma? Immutable. Immutable. Because no item assignment, no addition, no changes, nothing is there. We can create two types of frozen set object. They are empty frozen set, non-empty frozen set. Empty frozen set is one which does not contain any elements whose length is 0. Frozen set object is equal to frozen set of empty frozen set. What is the use of creating empty frozen set? Actually, no use. Empty tuple also no use. But in the database communication, it is useful to us. That's why I'm covering in the empty concepts in the beginning. Empty list, non-empty list. Empty tuple, non-empty tuple. Empty set, non-empty set. Like that, empty frozen set, non-empty frozen set. Most useful to you. Next, non-empty frozen set student. A non-empty frozen set is one which contains elements whose length greater than 0. Simple. Frozen set object is equal to frozen set of what is in the bracket? Set of elements converted into frozen set. Next entity, frozen set object is equal to frozen set of couple of elements converted into frozen set. Frozen set object is equal to frozen set of list of elements converted into frozen set. Like range of elements converted into frozen set. Still, if you want any frozen set, if you want, fs is equal to చూడండి frozen set of range of range of 10 comma 21 comma something like a 2 2 2. Do you know this? Print of what? Fs. Print of Fs. Is it not range of elements will come or not? Yes, it is coming. Are you following this? So range of elements are coming. Like this, it is going to come. Which one it is? Frozen set. You can take that also, no issue. You can take that also, no issue. Start to stop, big step. You know, range, na? Range of start, comma, stop, range of start, comma, stop, comma, step. So everything it should be there in the brain. If you want, you can take one more syntax here like this. So I'll write it here, mom. Here I will write it. The range of start comma, stop comma, step. Step you can write it. Step you can write it. Not only that, any one of the syntax you can use it. Okay, done. So this part you can take care. Now I'm giving a note point, which I already said. The functionality of frozen set is exactly similar to set, but an object of set belongs to both mutable. Mutable why? Adding, removing, pop, discard, etc. And also immutable in the case of item assignment. Whereas frozen set object belongs to immutable because neither possible to perform add, remove, pop, discard, nor possible to perform item assignment. That's why frozen set is immutable. So examples. So this is comes under example set elements converted into frozen set. Next is called what set with a different type of elements. Put it into that len non-empty. This is called empty 0. This is called frozen set. Done. Frozen set converted. And you are trying to do slicing and indexing. Not possible. You are trying to update something not supporting item assignment. Del of fs of 0 not possible. You cannot remove the single element. You cannot remove the single element based on indexing. You cannot remove the single elements by using slicing. You can remove the complete object. You can remove. That point we already learned. This is fs2. Fs2 is not found. Clear or not clear? Yes, this is related to what? Frozen set. Online students, is it clear, my dear students? Is this point is clear? Quickly done. So coming to the point back, now I'm going to give you one small announcement. Next time need to go for one more thing called what predefined functions in where? Predefined functions. Tell me. Predefined functions in frozen set. So actually, I should ask you this question, frozen set. Predefined functions in frozen set. What are the predefined functions present in frozen set? Here, what simple line I will tell you. What are all the functions are there which are just retrievables only possible. Modification related functions are not possible. Okay, now? So before going to do that, one a small announcement. Otherwise, online students will leave it. Announcement. Tomorrow, no class. Tomorrow, no class. So I have some small urgent work is there. So I'm going little out of station. So tomorrow, no class. And the next class is on Monday. Next class is on Monday. So this is the one which you need to take care about it. Okay, now? So tomorrow, don't move here and there, and you don't take your luggage and you don't jump to out of station. Because when you jump out of station, you will not come to Hyderabad once again. Minimum you will take 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So you take care. You be in Hyderabad only. I will go out of station and I will come. You be here only. You don't take your luggage and don't jump because next class is on Monday. Because when student go to home, lot of problems will be there because friends are there. So many things are there. You don't do that. Don't go anywhere until you get the job. Okay, students. So tomorrow what you will do? Sincere student will do what? He will open 4 o'clock. He will start and sit like a class only. Close the door in the hostler if you are and read well, practice well. 6 o'clock open the door. Go to, I may repeat, take a cup of tea, come back to once again room, practice once again. That is a good student property. How many of you are good students? I don't know. I hope that everybody is good. I hope that. I don't know whether you are doing good or not, but I believe that because I think my students are best, I will feel. And the tag is there in the entire institute for me also. Because they used to say, everybody used to say, sir, other students will make lot of noise when they are sitting. YouTube videos they will watch. When sir is teaching, YouTube videos backside. But in our class, will they you watch YouTube? No. First of all, mobile also will not be seen. Button also will be clearly. Why? Sir also will keep complete buttons. So students' behavior depends on sir behavior. Correct? So that's why students. So it doesn't mean that button keeping and all. It shows that professional look. Professional look is important. Correct or not? Professional look will come when you have a subject. When you don't have a subject, you will get a no. So that's why subject is required so that you will get automatically that properties. Correct or not? That's why students don't move here and there and be careful. Start predefined functions. First, tell me, students, what are the predefined functions of set ones? Quickly, set functions. You tell me quickly. I want to know quickly. First one is add. Okay, cool, good. Next, clear off. Next, remove off, discard off. What is that? Discard off. Okay, next, pop off. Come on, is yesterday. What is this? Copy off. Hmm. Disjoint off. Next up is superset off. Yes, good. See, offline online students, how speed they are typing. Really, I'm appreciating online students. Really, I'm appreciating. And you don't compromise, sir. They are seeing the notebook and they are typing. You don't compromise. And how well they are doing that is important. Come on, next. Is subset. Is what? Subset. Next, union of. Union of. Union కాదు. Union, if you say that is wrong. Next, intersection of. Intersection of. Next, difference of. Symmetric difference of. Symmetric difference of. Symmetric underscore what? Difference of. Okay, next, come on. Update of. Update of. Come on. Difference underscore update of. Difference underscore what? Update of. Okay, next, symmetric difference underscore update of. Symmetric difference underscore what? Okay, good. Next, intersection underscore update of. Actually, I did not write, but I want to write today. I've shown you example. Intersection underscore what? Update of. Yes, these many. I shown you the help also. I shown you everything, right? Now, students, you tell me if you are really very good student, you have to tell these are the functions present in where. In now, I am going to tell add function present or not. Not present in where? Frozen set. Clear present or not? Come on. Clear present or not? Not. Muddu babu. It is called frozen set. Frozen set means what? Unique constant value. When it is unique constant value, how can you clear? How can you clear? Not possible to clear. Next, remove. Not possible. Discard. Not possible. Pop. Copy. Come on. Possible. Possible. When you are remembering, when you are remembering, full, that time I said you, T1 is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, which is a tuple I said, T1 comma type of T1, which is T2 is equal to T1 dot what? Copy of. It is not possible. Actually, immutable objects are not possible to clone. Cloning means what? Duplicating. It is not possible to copy the content of immutable object to the tuple. Understand? If at all you want to to copy, deep copy possible. Yes or no? Deep copy possible. Just to see. I'm thinking that you will understand my deepest point here. See T1. T2 is equal to what? T1. So print T2 also. Print T2 also. T2 also. T2 also. So it is going to contain what address? That means memory space created once or more than once? Once. One memory space, two objects are pointing. Understood or not? Similarly, similarly, I am taking today fs1 is equal to hmm, frozen set of I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of what? fs1 comma type of fs1 comma id of fs1. Done. Okay. Now I am doing fs2 is equal to fs1 dot what? Copy. Generally, according to this statement, this also should not be possible. According to this statement, this also should not be possible because of tuple is what? Immutable. We cannot, it is not possible to copy. In the same ground, this also should not be possible. Actually, it should not be possible. But Python people allowed to. They allowed it. But what this did done, copy function, they said, they did not say it is a shallow copy. That's why while I'm explaining shallow copy, 99% it is there. In frozen set is different, I said, if you remember it. Now in this case, it is possible. But what is this FS2 student? That is the simplest part. You only tell me it is not a shallow copy. It acts like a deep copy. It acts like a deep copy. Is it same address or not? That means you see ma here this address same. Though I applied a copy function, both of them are having different memory spaces. One memory space, one memory space only, both of them pointing to the same. That means even though I applied a copy, is it working like a shallow copy, not deep copy? Deep copy. So I can't modify this data at all. Both of them pointing to the same address only. So even though they applied a copy, it is not a copy. It is a deep copy only. Got it? Huh? Good. So copy function, online students, is it clear? I think it is clear. So because I shown you one important technical point also here. Well, students, come on now. Copy possible or not possible? Possible. Is designed possible. I said retrievals are possible. What brain you have, students? Add, clear, remove, discard, pop are doing changes inside. That is not possible. Copy possible. Is designed. Is it doing changes? Deciding. It will see here, it will see here, deciding. No problem. Is designed possible. మీరు వెరీ డేంజర్ ఉన్నారు అసలు. సో ఫ్రోజన్ సెట్, go to the frozen set. There is a frozen set. fs2 is equal to frozen set of I will take it, I'll take it, go to the place 11 comma 12 comma 13. 13 I will take it. 13 I will take it. Here I am writing fs1 dot is disjoint of fs2. What is that? Totally different elements only now. What is that? Is disjoint? True. 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 If any common element is there, it is called what? So like that, what is allowed next? Superset also allowed. Next what? Subset. Union. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Allowed. Union will take this elements, put it into new. Allowed or not allowed? Union will not go and changing the elements. No. Retrieving, put it into another place. Allowed. Intersection. Take it common elements and take it into new. You want to see? Malla, మీకు doubt ఒకటి. You are very dangerous students. So coming to this place, directly I will write it. Frozen set of this data. Frozen set of dot union of I will write it. I'll write it. Frozen set of this data. This data. I'm writing. Frozen set of this data. See the answer. Am I getting complete elements or not? I will go to some element, I will take it. 10 I will take it. What I am writing now? Intersection, I will write it. Intersection I am writing. This is going to contain what happens? Intersection, I will write it. See that now element is 10 is coming or not? Like that difference also you can apply. Difference also. Are you following? So will you check all these things after going to home? Symmetric difference allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Okay, done. These are allowed. Update not allowed. Check sorry. Check. I will say here what? Update. Not possible. So I'm writing here update off. So see that attribute. Frozen set has no attribute called what? Similarly, difference underscore update. Symmetric difference underscore update. Intersection underscore update. Not possible. So what are possible things you tell me quickly? I want to know. Copy of. Come on. These things are permitted. These things are permitted. Okay. Come on. Next. See. Next is called what? These things are present. These things are present. Okay. These are present. Which things are not present? Add, clear, all these things. These are not present. So these things are not present. These are present in where? Not present in. Not present in where? Yes. Frozen set. This is very important. These are not present. So that's why I'll open it. Predefined functions in frozen set. Come on, read out. Frozen set contains the following: copy, is design, is superset, is subset, union, intersection, difference. That's all. FS1, specially I explained one note point more. Specially I explained one note point here. Just to follow me. Here I say frozen set ID, frozen set copy. It is a copy, but acts like what? So I mentioned one important point. Raman, read out. In general, immutable object content is not possible to copy in the case of tuple. Whereas in the case of frozen set, we are able to copy its content to another frozen set object. Here, original frozen set object and a copied frozen set object contain same memory address and not at all possible to modify or change their content. Hence, copy procedure of frozen set is considered as deep copy only. It is not a shallow copy. Understood? How? So here frozen set does not contain the following functions. Clear, all these things are not possible. Understood? How? So here I wrote it, some of them. I wrote what are the possible things I wrote it. Not possible things you can go for just checking for your practice. Understood? How? So this indicates my concept is finished here. If we go to this place, E colon and 4 p.m. if I think about it, data types if I come, what is completed? Set category is completed. I'll go for what? Monday class I will go for what? Dict. Very soon, Monday, I'll go for this. And Monday, Tuesday, this data types will complete. Then I'll enter into the batch mode programming. And the data types are, it's a life turning point in Python. You take any Python student, they don't know data types. That's why they are not getting any suitable jobs. Suitable jobs are not at all selecting. Anywhere else, if you go for it, questions will come from list to set to dictionary, everywhere else. From here only questions will come. Okay now? So I'll stop my class and I already announced it. Tomorrow no class. Next class is on Monday. By mistake, don't come to the class. So by coming here, after